How to download iTunes on MacBook Pro. First of all, make sure that you have updated your system. Once you check that, simply open your Launchpad. You can simply hover your mouse to the bottom of your screen. There you will see Launchpad option. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see all of the application you have on your device. From there, select App Store. Now, on the top left, you will see searching bar. Simply type iTunes over there. Now, here you will see a lot of options for iTunes. If it does not show the original one, then you can use the alternatives. Both the application work the same. In this way, you can easily download iTunes on your MacBook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.